Phew, what a day, he said. And then no show. Huh? What in the... Wonder who left that there. I must do it. I must do it. I must do it. Oh, hey, Thomas. I was wondering if you... Okay, sorry, Percy. Got to get some delivery. Oh, that was so fast. I was wondering if he might need some help about doing those delivery. I will. Thomas, roll down. Oh shit! What's wrong? You should speed it up with all those much cargo. You had to be patient. Sorry. What a useful engine. Gosh, how much delivery too? And then there was trouble. What the? No. Oh no, Thomas has to pay attention to the Simon. Oh, cinders and ashes, I should have to listen to the Simon. And then... Huh? What's that noise? Used to be found. Hey, Thomas. Percy, I appear. Oh, thought you were down here. But I came off the wheels and should have paid attention to the Simon. Oh, okay. So, how'd you know you going to keep me on the rails? I just saw you when you go too fast. Oh, so I haven't paid attention. See, look, I derailed. And please keep me on the rails. I am. Okay. There we go. Weren't these the cars that you took yesterday when you're derailed? Oh yes, Percy. Then they derailed too. See, look at them. So Thomas and Percy have to secure this because Thomas's longest cargo is derailing. That's why that happened. How did it done? After that, Thomas said Percy pulled the longest loco. And then they went slowly. Next time, Thomas, don't bet goes fast when you derail with assignment. Okay, you could go home.